Hello, I'm going to look at these sketches. Okay, so you had a lot of good ideas here. I can tell you've been looking at information graphics. Keep in mind you'd have more than one like pie chart or more than one piece of information, more than one bar chart. You want to put a lot of them together, and you also want to address, there's so much to Sony. What aspect do you want to address? You want to address their corporate giving arm, their charity, or do you just really want to go in the direction of computers or TVs? Think about that. So two things that you can fix, you can work on for the milestone. This is not a good presentation. The sketches are very dark. Sketches should be white with a grayscale artwork or black and white artwork. That's the number one thing. You should never see the background like this. It's tilted with white. You could have cropped that. But besides that, I see light bulbs here. I like that you were thinking about visual like icons, but that would be considered a cliche. So really look at information graphics that are out there. Some of these are better than others. This one's a good example. So take your essay that you did and think about what you can break down into, a visual storytelling. Okay, so this is exactly the consistency, the look that I want for sketches. The problem, though, is you put a couple of them sideways, so that's going to irritate the viewer because I have to rotate the page, and it really just looks like you were lazy, to tell you the truth, which is a pity because I can tell you weren't. You put a lot of work into every single sketch. So in the future, especially when you graduate and you try to get jobs, you don't want to ever present anything sideways. Okay, that said, I think these are all creative. I can tell you were thinking about information graphics. I like the ones that show the gaming. This shows one of their awesome TVs, or just indicates it. And then these are really nice drawings. I love that you have pie charts in here, and then you have little boxes of information. I also love the timeline. It's a great idea to put the cord in there, and then you show sort of the history of a lot of their products. Like I said, these are all good sketches. Well done. All right, let me know if you have any questions.